In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a shirt mock-up in Canva. If you've ever wanted to preview a t-shirt design before sending it off to print or sharing it with a client, mock-ups are the fastest, cleanest way to see exactly how your artwork will look on a real shirt. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along easily. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your project is on the screen, look to the left-hand side and click on Elements. This is where Canva groups a lot of useful tools, and the one we want today is Mockups. You'll find Mockups under the Categories section. Go ahead and click Mockups, and then choose the Apparel category. To see the full range, select See All. This opens up a gallery of shirt mockups, including different fits, angles, and styles, so you can pick the one that best matches your brand or the product you're showcasing. Now, select the shirt mockup you want to use. When you click it, it will appear on your canvas, ready to hold your design. From here, simply click and drag the image of the design you want onto the mockup and release it. Canva will automatically place your artwork into the shirt area, so it looks like it's printed right on the fabric. If it doesn't land perfectly on the first try, just drag it again until it snaps into place. That's all there is to it. A few quick tips to make your result look polished. Use a high-resolution design file so the print area looks crisp and professional. A transparent PNG often works best for t-shirt graphics, especially if your artwork doesn't cover the full chest. Aim for good contrast between your design and the shirt color, and avoid overly thin lines or tiny text that might disappear at real-world sizes. If you're showing a client multiple options, try choosing mock-ups that match the shirts you'll actually produce, like short sleeve versus long sleeve, or a specific fabric tone, so the preview is realistic. This workflow is great for portfolio images, online shop listings, social media teasers, or quick internal reviews. By staying within your project, using elements, opening mockups, heading to apparel, clicking See All, selecting your preferred shirt and dragging your design onto it, you'll have a professional-looking shirt mockup in seconds. Keep experimenting with different shirt angles and styles to find the presentation that best tells your story. And that's it. You now know how to use a shirt mock-up in Canva quickly and confidently.